Hi, I'm Bladerunner. Today I'm going to show you how I use Folda to add some distortion to my bass and drums. So first of all, I'm going to show you how I'd use it on a Reese bass. This is just a standard Reese, like, terrorist kind of thing. Yeah, so then I'd load up Folda. And then we've got like 4 groups here. So you can use it in a couple of different ways. I would tend to, on something like this, if it's just going to be a gritty bass to add some dirt on top, I would use like one group first. So you've got 2 drive units for each group. They're all in like series, so you can add them on top of each other. So in each group, you've got all of these to choose from: wavefolding, clipping, saturate, overdrive, fuzz, digital stuff as well. And then you can do it all again on top of the next one. I'll show you what happens when I like to add a bit of saturation first, a bit of tape saturation. That's my favourite. So let's play that and see what happens. Thickening up those upper harmonics, and then I've been liking the sound of it's a fuzz one, this germanium fuzz. After this one sounds really good to add some grit in the top. Yeah. Yeah, I love that. And that's just the start, really. So that's just the first group, so you can just get a bit of flavour going like that. And then what you can do, you can add another group. So you got this morphing part here where all the groups show up that you've added. So when you add another group, you click there, and then you get another node here. So let's work on group 2 now. So we'll try something a bit dirtier for this one. Let's go for some tube screamer. Let's try that. See what that sounds like. Nice. Okay. Now let's try something else. Some wave folding. Let's try it. Let's try a basic fold to see what that does. Nice, let's try a different one. That one's a bit softer. Maybe a buchla fold. Let's try this. That looks a bit crunchy. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Ooh, crunchy. Okay, working on group 3 now. Let's try some other combination. Let's try silicone fuzz. Okay, and let's try one of the digital ones. Let's try quantize. It's got some really washy tops in. Okay, right, let's go for the 4th group now. Turn that on. Let's try a different wave fold again. West Coast fold. Let's try that. That's different. Okay, let's try the one it's on. Land at 8 clip. Yeah, you've really got to just try different combinations and see what you like the sound of. Let's try the silicone. And what you can do as well is there's a filter here underneath which you can choose from low pass, high pass, all these combinations, formants, combs, all kinds of things. And you can try using a high pass to scoop away the bass before the distortion. So that's possible because you've got a pre and post EQ slider here. So it's set to post at the moment. If you slide it all this way, it's now set in pre, so it's before the distortion. So now when you sweep, you can, if you've got the right note, you can catch the sweet spot and add some resonance as well. Add some resonance there. That's nice. Okay, that'll do for group 4 for now. The next thing you can do, then you can go to the global section and equal power. That just helps level everything out. And then at the bottom, we've got the EQ to shape everything. So when you get it in a sweet spot how you want it. So yeah, I like that kind of sound. Say, if you like the tops in that area, then you can boost the bottom end. And we've also got these sliders here above each node. You can do pre and post EQ here at the end. So if you decide you want to add some bass because you've lost a bit of bass where you started distorting it, you can make it post and then boost the bottom end. And bring it all back. And then you can boost some tops as well to the end result, make that post. Add some more fizzle to it. Think of it more as like a shaping EQ really. Just shape it how you think it should sound rather than looking at numbers and things all the time with the frequencies. Just kind of listen to what you're doing and how it sounds. So once you've got it kind of where you like it, you can go back in and tweak a bit. Like you could have a really high passed one on this one as well. So as you sweep around, it goes high pass and then comes back down and morphs around. Let's do that. So then when you go back to the morph, that one will be like that.